Hey, how's it going? Just getting around to making a video about doing the what's needed to make your Saiga AK in a 7.62 by 39 into a regular pistol grip conversion. You'll need to order at least an AK fire control group. This one's a Tapco. A retaining plate. You can use like cotter pins, but believe me, this is actually worth just buying. It saves you a lot of headaches. And you'll actually reuse your hammer spring from the Saiga, and you'll reuse your disconnector spring that you pulled out from the Saiga. Here's all the old parts right here. Now, to retain the use of the bolt hold open, you'll still need to use your old Saiga hammer, but I decided against that because I needed my American parts, so I'm doing without any type of bolt hold open as of right now. So really you just need the fire control group, some type of retaining plate, which it really helps out, and you'll actually need some bolts. And I'll show you what is the bolts will be needed. First things first is go ahead and disassemble your whole rifle, which you can find some videos about that, how disassembling it. Now you may see back here you actually had some pins in here. That's what the pin looks like after you drill it out. So you need to actually drill out, and I'll say it, you can use a bit about 1/8 inch, but there's some guys out there that say 3/16 or probably a little bigger, but whatever you have handy, whatever you feel more comfortable with. So you need to drill out these two, then you'll punch through, and then you'll actually need, you got a plate down here at the bottom, and it'll have some rivets. You actually will use that same drill you have for here, punch the center marks, and actually drill those out. Then you'll be able to take it off. Now some of the Saigas, which I understood some of the more common 223 or 5.56 rifles will already have a pistol grip nut hole. Well, mine didn't have it, so I actually had to put one in. So that's the only thing that really will hinder you if, when you're doing this conversion, you gotta have a pistol grip nut hole. But really, it's very easy to do. So the measurement of what it is from the back of receiver to right there is 41 millimeters. From here to here is 41 millimeters. Now the length right here, 13 millimeters. Side to side, you're looking at 12 millimeters. So initially just draw out the hole first. You can use the drill, then use file sets to straighten up the edge, to clean it up. Now you gotta do this slowly when you do that. You don't want to make it too big because you can't put back the metal. Okay, and once you have that done, you can actually reuse the old trigger guard. There's some companies out there that offer no replacement trigger guard. You bolt in here, but really I just only use one bolt to do it, and this is very, very tight in there, because when you actually tighten this down, see, it's just regular bolts, and you got, you know, a nut and washer in it. When we tighten it down, the trigger guard will actually start to compress into the mag wheel. And so after this is tightened down, this is actually solid in there. It's not moving anywhere. And the back part, you'll actually have an extra bit of metal on your trigger guard. That's what you just need to cut off right here so you won't get into your pistol grip. So, and that will actually just be pretty much it for your conversion. So just go over again, drill out, hit out the pins, drill out the rivets, pop off the plate, and carefully tear off the trigger guard off the plate, and then cut back here. You install that. Then you need to make your pistol grip hole. And once you have that, you'll be able to install just your fire control group, the hammer, retaining plate, and a pistol grip nut, and that will be it for that.